In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink or a URL to a forum post in Leo and then set it so it opens in a new window. So I'm going to show this to you in Forum 4B, which is Mapping the Imaginative and Creative Teacher. So I'm going to click on that forum link and I'm going to add a new discussion. And the purpose of this is to upload the URL that we created from our Google Doc and set it so that our colleagues can click on that link in order to access it, and that when they click on it, it opens in a new browser window rather than overwriting Leo. So in the subject, I'm going to call this Adams MICT, and I'm going to write a quick message. Hi everyone, here is the link to my MICT, Adam. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just create a space here to put the link into. Now you'll remember from the previous video tutorial that I had copied my URL into a document or a text edit program in order to ensure that I'd saved it. So what I'm going to do now is copy that URL and paste it into the forum post. So I highlight the URL, and then once it's highlighted, I can do, if I'm a Mac user, I do Command C. If I'm a PC user, I do Control C, and that'll copy the URL. I then go back to my forum post and make sure that the cursor is blinking in the space that I've created for the URL. And in order to paste this, if I was to do right-click on my mouse and paste, Leo doesn't like it, okay? It doesn't let you do that. So Leo sort of insists that you use the keyboard functions. So you can use the different letters and numbers on your keyboard in certain combinations to carry out certain functions within Leo. And so what we're doing now is we're going to paste that URL back into the forum post using Command V for a Mac user or Control V for a PC user. And you'll notice that that URL has indeed been posted in, but it's not a live URL, so it's just a series of letters. And if I was to save that message and post it, the only way that somebody would be able to use that URL would be to copy and paste it, which is a little bit awkward. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this URL so it's live. So what you do is you highlight the URL. And then I'm actually going to do, I'm going to copy it as well, okay, just to make sure that I've got the right one. So I'm going to do Command C for a Mac or Control C for a PC. And then you'll notice that up above there are a series of icons, and there are these three here that look like a little sort of chain link. You want to click the one on the left-hand side that is called Insert or Edit Link. Into the link URL box, which is already highlighted, paste the URL, so Command V for a Mac, Control V for a PC. And then in the box underneath that says Target, drop down the little menu and select Open in New Window. And what this will do is it'll set the URL to be live and to open in a new window. And once you've done that, click on Insert. And you'll notice that the URL has now turned blue, okay, which is indicating that it's live. So if I run my mouse over it, you can see that it changes. So that is now a live URL within a forum post. So if I now click on Post to Forum and go into that particular discussion, into that particular post. Now, just watch what happens up at the top of my screen. So on the left-hand side here, I've got the EDFD 460 tab. Just watch what happens up there when I click on this particular link. So it opens up my document that I put into Google Drive, but it opens it up as a new browser window, so I'm not overwriting the Leo window. And that is the goal. That is what we want to achieve through this process.